Welcome to the purchase and checkout process for Stratton's Learn to Ski and Learn to Ride program. The program page can be accessed through the main menu of stratton.com in the top left of the website, or through the Quick Access menu in the top right-hand side of the homepage. Once on the Learn to Ski and Learn to Ride page, you'll find a description of the program, brief directions on how to purchase a lesson, and redeem your purchased vouchers for a lesson date, as well as more detailed steps on these processes and the program as a whole. First, go through the process of how to purchase your Learn to Ski or Learn to Ride lesson by clicking the booking button. Click See More to view more details about the program. Scroll down to select the options that are right for you. You may book all 4 steps of this program at once to get a head start on earning a season pass at the end of the program, or book lessons one at a time. You must complete all 4 steps of this program to earn a season pass at the end. Once added to your cart, it's time to check out. During this step, you may assign the lesson to yourself or a family member. If you are a parent purchasing for a child, we recommend assigning the lesson to yourself at this stage. You may select your child for the lesson during the voucher redemption process, when you actually select the date for your lesson. Enter your credit card information and proceed through the checkout process. You have now successfully purchased what is known as a voucher for your Learn to Ski or Learn to Ride lesson. Please keep in mind that before you come to take your lesson, you must redeem your voucher. Voucher redemption is the process of selecting your lesson date, assigning it to the lesson taker, and confirming that there is availability on your desired date. We'll go over this process in the next part of the video. After purchasing your Learn to Ski or Learn to Ride voucher, it's now time to redeem it. As during the purchase process, return to the product page by either selecting it from the main menu or using the quick booking bar in the top right of your screen. Please remember that you must redeem your voucher before coming to the resort to ensure rental and lesson availability on your desired learning date. You'll find these instructions for reference about halfway down the page. Either click the hyperlink within the text or scroll down further and click on the button for voucher redemption. If already logged into your account, you will be directed right to your personal voucher page. If not, log in first. Here you'll see your purchased vouchers. Click the Redeem button to continue. In the next screen, click Redeem Voucher. During this process, you will be selecting your desired lesson date. It is important to do this in advance of your visit and not the morning of. This assures lesson and rental availability prior to your arrival. You'll select the half-day morning or half-day afternoon time slot you wish to participate in. Your full-day lift ticket and rental are included in your checkout and are automatically added to your cart. Proceed to checkout. You will now select the desired lesson participant. You will select yourself if you plan to take the lesson, or we'll show you the process of adding a family member to your account and assigning the lesson to them. Input their name and date of birth. Reminder that this program is for those 13 and older. Now select your participant and click to continue. If this is your first time skiing or riding at Stratton, you will need to purchase a mountain pass. This is an RFID card that holds your lift tickets to get you on the chairlifts. This RFID card is reloadable and does not need to be purchased on future visits. It will be saved to your account, so try not to lose it. Fill out the participant's information. Most new skiers or snowboarders will be a Type 1 rider. Input your height, weight, and shoe size for your rental equipment. Add 2 emergency contact names and phone numbers. And don't forget to sign the waiver at the top of the page. It's easy to miss. If you had to purchase an RFID mountain pass, you will enter your credit card information to pay for the mountain pass next. After completing your voucher redemption, you will see an AW number, which represents your order number, and a QR code. This information will also be emailed to the email associated with your account. Bring the order number to Village Rentals by the clock tower in the courtyard before your lesson to get your rental equipment. The QR code can be scanned at any ticket pickup box, and your mountain pass loaded with that day's ticket will be printed out. There are ticket pickup boxes located outside in the courtyard and inside in Village Rentals. On the date of your lesson, arrive 30 to 60 minutes before your start time to allow yourself enough time to park, grab your gear, put on your boots and winter outerwear, pick up your lift ticket, and get to the snow. The lesson begins promptly at the time you selected during redemption. Repeat this process for steps 2 through 4 of the Learn to Ski and Learn to Ride program. We wish you all the best in your journey and can't wait to see you on the mountain.